will be on lane 1, due to failure of the semi-finals. Nobody wants to be left behind. Were they able to maintain it? They just crossed the 100-meter line, approaching 50, and that's where the excitement begins. Right now, they are just taking off. 50 meters to go. 50 meters. 3 teams of the water. On lane 1 was Barangay Carmen, on lane 2 UC Wildcats, on lane 3 Rixby B. And we'll have the official announcement as to who among the 3 of them crossed the finish line first. It's really very exciting once they cross the 15-meter line, even the 150-meter line. And then they give it all day down. The next race that we are about to get started with, heat number 2, mixed 400 meters, 3 teams, Black Dragons, Mixed Speed A, and the Speed Devils. Again, our managing board sponsors. Podcast Lady Gabo and well, Apple One Properties. May some James Sports, every couple, people that we do. So not for this, simula ba kung sino ko lang ako na sa dito sa Pilipinas ICT. Ika na ako, dito kasi, dito mo ba? Dito mo ba? Firefly Electric, Gardenia, Fireball, Promo, Attitude Paste, and Real Radio. That is set up by one. Again, 3 teams of water and 5 miles for the first one. On lane 1, we'll have Rixby A. On lane 2, UC Wildcats. On lane 3, Kagay-an. Rixby A, UC Wildcats, and Amihan. Who among them will qualify for the finals? This is their chance to do so. Okay, let's find out. Let's find out who among them will qualify for the finals. This is their second chance to do so. Well, we understand that it's quite hot out there. So katuban mga athletes na to would like to have a quick cool down at a fire truck that will provide you with a quick shower para mabugnaw ang inyong mga lawas. Okay, represent 1. This is for 400 meters. 3 teams on lane 1 is Rixby A, lane 2 UC Wildcats, and lane 3 Amihan. Approaching the 150-meter line. Who will be the first to cross the 150-meter line, but not shot yet, the determining factor. Later on, as they cross the 100-meter line, things will change, and And as they cross the 50-meter line, they practically fly out of the water. Neck on neck, the three teams, they'd like to make it to the finish line to the finals. This is their chance, and they're giving it a real good fight. 100 meters has been crossed, approaching 50 meters now. Now it's all they got, guys. Anything can change. The lead can change anytime, depending on who wants it the most. Okay, are they able to maintain it? We'll see. Oh, wow, man. That was close, like I said. The one who wants it more makes it. Wow, that was close. Very close. Like I said, the last 50 meters is a very strong factor, significant factor. It is 5 meters approaching the 50-meter barrier. We'll see. Lane 3 is Rick Speed, lane 2 is Speed Devils, lane 3 Rick Speed, and lane 1 Gladiators. We'll see who's going to make it first. On the finish line, okay, we have a winner. Remember, the other two teams will automatically go to the wild card. And winner of that race will also automatically qualify for the semifinals. Before we go to the wild card, let's take a 15-minute break. So while waiting for the official results again for the athletes.
Lemon dam.
Okay, limon.
Halang kayo dam.
Ha?
Halang kayo.
Oo, halang.
Gamay lang halang na baga.
Oh, okay lang. Anak, isa ka, anak.
Tugo ko tayo. Lagi mo. Wala lang. Popcorn juice ra. Tempura. 5. Fishball, piso isa.
Kani mo na ning rice?
Ano yung rice? Mga jiri daw. Tapos ito.
Ayaw ko open lips. Mag-vlog ko. Wow, thank you. Okay,
Diyan, ikot
pansit.
sa dyan. Uy, lang ako, sinamok ka.
Ingkod ko dyan.
Sige na.
Yun anong gapayo na ko na. Kuan man. Okay. Wow. Okay, nagbutom. Tinanaw.
Kaya mga upload yun ba? Kahit ang maragos dito. No?
Rick Speed on lane 2 and the CGY Dragons in lane 3. Take note, guys, semifinals 1. The one who will make it will qualify for the finals, which we'll be having after the 2 semifinals. We'll see if Rick Speed 2 or Rick Speed B will have the stamina to stay on the race. You know, they just finished the wild card race, and now they have qualified for semifinals 1. Okay, approaching, they just crossed the 200-meter line to the finish. That's halfway through. Approaching 150 meters. 150 meters has just been crossed. They're approaching the 100-meter line. Anything can still happen, guys. Who's leading the pack? This is semi-final 1. This is semi-final 1. That was fast. Lane 1, Speed Devils. Lane 2, Butuan Dragons. Lane 3, Amihan. Semifinals 2, 400 meters. Mixed. The first two to cross the finish line will qualify for the finals, which we'll be having right after this race. 150 meters to the finish line. 150 meters to the finish line. Closing in to the 100-meter line. They just crossed it. 100 meters has been breached. But the thing to watch is when they cross the 50-meter line. And that is where they, even though they got an anything can still happen. Anything can still happen. Lane 1, Speed Devils. Lane 2, Butuan Dragons. Lane 3, Amihan. Who's gonna make it? Who's gonna make it? You can never tell until it's done. This is going to be a thrilling race. This is the finals. 4 teams on the water. The Butuan Dragons in lane 1. Barangay Carmen on lane 2. Speed Devils on lane 3. And on lane 4, Rig Speed B. These 4 teams are vying to be the champion of the 400-meter mixed race on the 2nd Kagay-an Dragon Boat Festival. 400 meters final mixed race. 4 teams on the water again. Butuan Dragons, Barangay Carmen, Speed Devils, and Rig Speed B. Butuan Dragons, lane 2, Barangay Carmen, lane 3, Speed Devils, lane 4, Rig Speed B. Finals, 400 meters. This is race number 16. Wow, this is really exciting. This is the race that we have all been waiting for. We'll see if one of them will be the winner of the 400-meter mixed race finals. They just crossed the 200-meter line. 200 meters to the finish. 200 meters to the finish. 4 teams on the water. I'm sure you have your own team you're rooting for. Let them know you care. You want them to make it. One is leading the pack. We'll see if he's able to maintain it. Again, on lane 1, the Butuan Dragons. Lane 2, Barangay Carmen. Lane 3, Speed Devils. And lane 4, Rig Speed B. Are they able to maintain it? Now crossing the 15-meter line. This is where everything is headed. We have a winner. We have a winner. What a race. What a race. Lane 1, the Butuan Dragons. Lane 2, Barangay Carmen. Lane 3, Speed Devils. And lane 4, Rig Speed B.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh. Di kami sa Baguio, ano? Na naman, pero malagay na. pala sulok naman. May hagdan gani. Nakita ra. Ka